Welcome to Balance Psychotherapy. I'm Kasia Makuch-Cole. I'm a psychotherapist recording for you from busy London, from my log cabin with a snoring dog. Join me on the journey through our internal world, through the messiness of our emotional existence, to stay balanced and to be who you are born to be in this world. We are meditating, regulating our nervous system, and tapping through this emotional and delicious mess together. If you would like to go deeper and shift your anxieties and depression, please look for a dark green bee for Balance Psychotherapy in the App Store. You're going to find much more in the app. And for now, let's begin. Welcome to Balance Psychotherapy. I'm Kasia Makuch-Cole, and today it's going to be our summary session, which means we're going to put together what we learned about focusing. After that, I'll tell you a little bit about the new season that it's going to come soon. And we'll finish with a focusing meditation. Let's begin. Focusing again, such a beautiful gateway to our body, to our mental health, and to our spirituality. Because we are a whole human person. We are starting with asking ourselves, how am I really today? We can choose to focus on ourselves, on our inner self, or we can choose to focus on a specific situation. After that, we clear the clutter. That's the second step, clearing the clutter of things that feel unnecessary, emotions, thoughts, something that distracts us, something that makes us run away from what we really want to focus on. The third step is asking yourself again, how am I really today? Till that sort of unknown space emerges and we are withstanding the feeling of being uncomfortable with it. I call it an unknown zone. Gendling calls it a murky zone. And after that, the fourth step is to try and find a handle. A handle is a word or an image that resonates very, very well with that inner experience. It might feel like the best word to resonate with your inner experience is, I don't know, cloudy, or perhaps you'll go with body experiences, something like heavy, like a knot in my stomach, or something like a ball with a black hole. Whatever it is, there will be a larger joy, feeling comfortable, feeling at ease, feeling peace. The whole exercises and what we're doing is about noticing two aspects of balance psychotherapy. One is that the inner experience changes all the time. And the second aspect is you have got so many objects, so many parts to your experience that you can move from one to another. And then finally is when you find the handle to your inner experience, to the experience you want to focus on, You'll just stay in that space as long as you want. Want to nurture space. You might want to hug it like a caregiver hugs a baby. You might just need to stay with it like a good friend. And then you might want to ask, what would you like? What would you need? And then just listen to your body. Allow yourself to be. And don't try to answer that question with your thought processes. Answer that question with your inner self. You can finish the exercise with gratitude. Gratitude for the inner experience, for the wisdom that the body reveals. Here it is. That's what we've been learning. And that's what you can access on Balance Psychotherapy in the Let's Begin section. It's available, it's for free, and you can use it anytime and anywhere you are. It's on your app. If you wish to download it, please do. It's on Balance Psychotherapy on an App Store and Google Play. Now, in the second season, we're going to run in the podcast monthly meditations, which we're going to call from Rumi to Bowlby. That's going to be a space where poetry is going to meet science and therapy. We will be reading an exciting extract. Perhaps we'll start from Rumi. And then we're going to meditate on it together using what we know from mindfulness and psychotherapy. So we can open ourselves to the healing on the inside. That's our second season. If you wish to prepare yourself for the winter, please access Anxious to Awesome program, which is there to heal our emotions. And another program is going to come, Beyond Depression, or Strength Beyond Depression. We are currently working on it, and it's going to be available soon before winter. So, let's begin our meditation comfortably wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Feel your body on the inside, like you would be a scuba diver, scuba diving into your body sensations. Allow yourself not to be preoccupied with your thought processes. You can always attend to your thoughts later. And just allow yourself to be in your body. Feel your head, shoulders, feel your torso, pelvis, legs, feet, arms, and hands. And then notice the waves of sensations in your body. Notice the different emotions in your body swirling around. There is a whole solar system on the inside. The sensations swirling around the sun, the emotions. And now focus on your center and ask yourself, how am I really today? Choose your inner experience you're going to focus on, or a situation that you would like to focus on. And find a handle to that experience, a word or an image that describes well what you are experiencing. And check, is it the word or an image? Does it resonate well? Hold it in your hands without judgment, without criticism. Just be there for that experience. and ask that space, what would you like? What do you need? And whatever comes, be there for it. And offer yourself gentleness, kindness, warmth. If your critical voice is very strong, offer yourself forgiveness and generosity. We live in a difficult and complex world, and we expose our body, our brain, and our spirit to difficult experiences. See you next time. Bye bye. Feeling out of balance? The Bespoke app offers tools and techniques for on-the-go well-being.
Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth.